Hi, I'm Doreen Cecil. I'm with Hand & Stone Corp. I have traveled here from the U.S. to the India office to work with the team here. This has been an incredible experience for me and for the team. We have bonded and we have been able to come together to develop some strategies for the roadmap for the future. So I am looking forward to the future with VRIZE and accomplishing a lot of great things. At Hand & Stone, we utilize the Azure Synapse environment, and the old process was taking 6 hours plus for us to extract the data and refresh our Power BI model. And we were doing this once a day, and our task was to reduce the cost because it is costly to process that much data for that length of time. Reduce the cost and then set our environment up so that we can process data multiple times a day. And in order to do that, we tasked the team with looking at incremental data from the source system, extracting that and incorporating that into the data warehouse. We struggled with the business requirements on the Hand & Stone side, but to be able to communicate what exactly we wanted to do. So we partnered with the VRIZE team to be able to determine what those requirements are, what the process should look like, and then the VRIZE team took that in the Synapse environment and completed the process from start to finish. With this engagement, we have reduced our costs by about $10,000 a month. In the future, we're looking at closing the gap on getting requirements, getting the process from end to end set up so that we can move through projects at a speedier rate and deliver more frequently than what we are currently.